Now look whose pants are dagan kayo amustiko ni Dong.
Ambot si tawag ni. Surat ang tangonan ni.
Shit. Yo guys, this is Zboy Montebon again, up for another video. Today's video, I'm with my bro, Kendrick. Really nigga. My goal for today's video is to show you nga there are a lot of Instagrammable places in your neighborhood. You can post anything in Instagram. Just be sure nga creative and dili na siya pasabot. You cannot picture photos in your neighborhood or dapat moadto pa mong lugar para lang makakuha og Instagram photos. No, just walk around in your neighborhood, and today mo na mong gibuhat to find some awesome places nga maka Instagram me. So na siya. Let's just go. Guys, we have found a place that is really Instagrammable and we don't know another in sa neighborhood. And yeah, just look at the place. This is so cool, and let's go to the photo shoot. Yo guys, mo tong first nga place nga mo nakitaan for Instagram. We're still walking for find another Instagrammable places nga nara sa mong neighborhood. We are in another place nga mo na siya. Let's shot photos for Instagram. Yo guys, so we are still walking. Kung makakita mig mga Instagrammable places din sa among neighborhood, and there are a lot of Instagrammable places man jud nga. You just have to be creative, and yeah, that's it. Yo guys, we have found a field nga nindot kay siya picturean, so let's take some pictures. Bye. Now look whose pants are dagan kayo amustiko ni Dong.
Ambot si tawag ni. Surat ang tangonan ni.
Shit.
Guys, so naano sa takaron diri, we have found a new place to shoot. I just noticed nga kaning mga rugs nga na diri is just really similar to my color palette sa akong shirt, so I'm just gonna take photos.
I need a mentor and shake the notes moment.
Yes! So atong last photo shoot is here sa bulldozer, because in every Instagram account naging mga vehicle nga amazing kay mga bulldozer. Just follow kay and Biscuit, makita niyo mga bulldozer dito mga photos. So that's it. Dire.
Kara. Di posing.
Ate.
Just wanna feel it from you. Hey,
Don't be afraid to catch feel.
Yo guys, we're kinda exhausted. Kaya taas-taas pa naman nalakaw to find some places nga Instagrammable, and we are so tired na, and I just wanna end the video. And for those people nga ganahan of Instagram pod like us, you can find any Instagrammable places in your hometown. Dapat lang nakay ka ng self-confidence just to take pictures, kay kami gitanaw na sa bis mga people, and also creative. And also next is the filters. You have to use your filters great with some apps like ViscoCam or any apps nga in your
Lightroom.
Also Lightroom to change the colors. All siya. Bye.